Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to troubleshoot septic tank alarms. Septic tank alarms are crucial for alerting you when there is a problem with your septic system. Understanding how to troubleshoot these alarms can help you prevent costly repairs and ensure the proper functioning of your septic tank. The first step in troubleshooting septic tank alarms is to check the power supply. Make sure that the alarm is receiving power. Check the circuit breaker, power switch, and any other electrical connections. If the alarm is not receiving power, it may need to be replaced or repaired. The next step is to inspect the float switch. The float switch is responsible for activating the alarm when the septic tank reaches a certain level. Make sure the float switch is clean and free of any debris that may be interfering with its operation. If necessary, replace the float switch to ensure proper functionality. Another important aspect to troubleshoot is the pump operation. The pump is responsible for moving wastewater from the septic tank to the drain field. If the pump is not working correctly, it can trigger the alarm. Check the pump for any signs of damage or clogs. Ensure that it is properly connected and functioning. Now, it's time to test the alarm system. Activate the alarm manually to see if it functions properly. If the alarm does not sound, check the wiring and connections. If there are any issues, consider consulting a professional to ensure a proper repair. Congratulations! You now know how to troubleshoot septic tank alarms. Remember to regularly maintain and inspect your septic system to prevent future issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials.